Hello, this is Art with Lazy. So I'm going to show you to do a simple quick tutorial on how to do the banner, which is give you some ideas how to do the YouTube banners. Basically, you need to know what is the size of the YouTube banner. So I have received a sign from my boyfriend, which is the banner for the YouTube banner size is supposed to be around 2560 and 1140 pixel. So the illustrator the version that I'm using now is a CC version, 2019. So here is, what's the size again? 2560, and 1440. Okay, so make sure it's under pixel. Alright, great. Okay, so you got the size of this YouTube banner. So I got what he asked me to do is to put in a lot of different image. So basically you can just click file and then you can click place. So select the images that you want to do the design. Normally I'll just see what I have the resource, then I will consider on how to do the rest. So once I got 7, so means 6 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, once I got all these different images, so what I normally would like to do is I would embed it. So embed it means that the image will stick onto the illustrator, so it won't disappear if you accidentally delete the original file from whatever folder that you save. So I just click on embed. Okay, so the images put aside. Now I will need to do a very quick research on how to do the YouTube banner design. So YouTube banner designed. Okay, so this. Okay, so let's say that, see what kind of layout would you like. So normally I would have a look around what type of the layout that I would think is suitable for my artwork. So let's say that I got multiple images. So it would be nice that I can, actually this looks nice. I mean, I like the different sizes of it, like this big, small, medium size, then here in the middle there's a slash. Let's see. Or I think something like simple as this would be just nice. So, okay, sorry. Okay, so let's say that I might like this one, simple. It's very simple and direct. Or let me check around if I can find something even better. Something like this looks nice also, like a zigzag. Nah, there's too many different layouts, too hard to select. All looks nice. Okay, so it's very hard to select. Okay, okay, if it's very hard to select, normally what I would do is, it would be better that you find something that is shapes, because you need shapes to do the pictures, how that you're going to fit in. So something like this, or something like this, or something like this. Alright, so once you have decided what type of the layout that it will look like, probably you can find, okay, circle, okay, just decide. Alright, I think I will just decide to use a square. It's always easy to start with a square or rectangle. So you can always go to your direct selection tool. Then here you can always direct select these 2 points, and then you can put a zigzag. So let's say that you're going to alternate it. Okay, if you can't see it, it's better for you to put it the fill and the strokes. I would click on these small tiny buttons on the left here, so white. So I would prefer the content, sorry, the fill here is transparent, none. Okay, something like this would be easier for me to, easy to track how does my stuff looks like. Okay, so press on the shift to make it smaller. Okay, maybe I just do something quite neat and tidy. So I can select and then duplicate, press on the shift, sorry, the alternate. Okay, so you roughly get something like this. So it would be nice that there's big and small size, since we got too many random pictures. Okay, so normally to do the clipping mask, I would just make sure the image is right back behind of this frame. Okay, so it doesn't matter the shape of the frame is what size of it. So you just press on Control 7, or you can just click on right click, make clipping mask when you select both of them. So you roughly got this. A, you can press on A to move around, to direct move your image. Okay, so here is obviously you can see it's very obvious. It's chopped, so it's not that suitable. Okay, let me think on another way. So if it's not that suitable, maybe we can think of other ways, such as use the selection tool, right click, release clipping mask. Okay, so normally it will back to no line, so just add in the line, then you can see them. Okay, maybe this one is not that suitable, so maybe I'll change another way of doing it. Okay, so maybe I'm going to put in the XP. Okay, we can random draw the shape, make it triangle. Sorry that I make my video looks very random. Okay, this is how I do. So I got how much? 1, 2, 3. So I got 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 pictures. So I think this layout should be quite funky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one I just make it here. Okay, so adjust, pressing on shift, select, drag it small, and this one. So I need pretty 6 triangles to fit in all my different images. Okay. Alright. So hopefully it works well. Okay, add back, select both of them, Command 7 for Mac and Control 7 for Windows. Okay, what you can do is press on the direct selection tool here, then you press on your V to change the key here, or you can just direct click on it. Just drag it back, then you can move around. So if you think this frame is not suitable, so what you can do is you can always select it, right click, release clipping mask, and find something else that suitable for your image. Yeah. Okay, I think this looks fine. Command 7, sorry. Okay, then I find this should be suitable for this. Fit in well. Command 7. And then here I got another triangle. Okay, if you can't see, well, better for you to add in the strokes. Okay, maybe this will be suitable for this. Select both of them, Command 7. Move around to find which is suitable. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, and then this one should be suitable for this. Okay. Okay, normally I just direct select on this, then I adjust. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, and then here, oh, this looks perfect. Control 7, select both of them, and I got the last image. Okay, if you felt that this shape was not that suitable, you can always try to tweak around to adjust. Doesn't seem right. Okay, let's see what else I can do with it. Okay, select Control 7. Sorry, I'm not that good in explaining, but doing it is much easier for me. Okay, V, drag it back, drag down. Alright, so this one push up. Looks fine. Okay, tweak around. Select, move around. Okay, because I'm going to fit in some wordings here. So, alright. Okay, so I'm going to put here trading cards. Okay, click on, oh, I was adding the type tool. Trading cards. Collectible. And gaming. Last one should be gaming. Alright, so these 3 things would be the the ones that represent the banners. Okay, here seems a bit too narrow. I would say it's not that suitable because the space looks very insufficient. So maybe just adjust a little bit, move around the image. Okay, this is a lot smaller. Here, this big. Go to the side, give a bit of space. Okay, this I think it'd be nice if this can be done. Okay, it gives us nice space. Sorry, Control Z to go back. Okay, seems fine. Alright. And then let's see how. Okay, so let's say I'm going to put a shape, a black color for the background. So just put it black. Right click. Arrangement, send to back. Because of the wordings all are black. Seems a bit messy. Okay, let me check on the here. Let's see how can it be done. Okay, maybe I actually like this quite much. See if I can try to replicate something like this. Okay, so maybe it doesn't work so well, triangle. So this one consider a failed attempt. It doesn't work so well. Okay, so these wordings, move that side. Okay, so let's say I'm going to put the slides. Pen tool. Sorry, I like to use multiple multiple tools to do my work. Okay, so alternate drag. So you can Control V. Oh, sorry, not this. Okay, try to duplicate alternate drag. So you basically got the next one. Then you just Command D for Mac to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need another 2 more. Okay, so maybe I need to, but there are some is horizontal. So for those that is release clip mask. Okay, for those that is horizontal, maybe. Okay, let's see how I can do with horizontal. Okay, rotate. And then I have, okay, I think square will be just fine. Yeah, seems I have not much of good sense. Clipping mask. So if you want to make it a quick, okay, sorry about the background, a bit noisy, yes. Okay, so if you want to do the clipping mask in a fast way, select both of these and make sure the image is behind of the shape and just press Command 7 or Control 7 for Windows. There you go. So press on the direct selection tool to move around. So I think this would be just fine if I put here. This is for the horizontal. Okay, again. Okay, so this is for the vertical. Okay, vertical. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, I think it's fine. I got one more image. Drag it back, rotate it back. V, Control 7. Okay, looks fine. Alright, where's my word? Trading cards. Okay, sorry for my background, it's a bit noisy. Line, left. Okay, seems fine. Or just make it simple then. Trading cards, collectible, gamings. Okay, find a suitable font. Area black. Seems fine. Okay, double check to see if did I do anything wrong. I mean to double check spelling. Yeah, I think it's done. Should be okay, I guess. Now the background seems a bit empty. So what I would do is, let me see, what can I do about it? I think. Okay, if I make it black, I'm not sure whether it's nice or not, but if I make it black, so put it, arrangement, send it to the back. So press on the V, shift, deselect the background, change to white. Sorry, I got a bit lazy on explaining stuff because I need to do it slightly faster. I got the kick. Okay, so press on. Simple. Alright, just make it slightly smaller or bigger. Okay, Control plus, press on the A, select the line directly. Okay, make the gap more equally. So check back. So maybe push down a little bit. So I'm push down a little bit. Okay. These. Should be fine. Let's find a better word, better font. Alright, I just make it simple as this first. Let me figure out how to make it looks better. So leave down the comments if you think that I should to do another video that is about how to fix this layout. It seems a bit lack of something. I couldn't think of a better layout or a better design that actually works well for this banner design. Just leave down the comments. Yeah. Alright, see you. Bye.